Hello, my dear family members. I hope you have some curiosity about the problems you saw in the thumbnail, right? How to solve those? What's the shortcut to solve those? What's the answer? These are the very common type of number series problem which are asked in any government exam or any company's exam, so which you must not avoid. So let's see your assumption is right or not. So the first question is this: 1 comma 5 comma 29, right? So what's the next number? Actually, in number series problem you will have some pattern based questions like prime number based questions, like difference pattern based questions, or n to the power n power based question, right? So this type of pattern you must have to follow. Okay, so let's see what pattern this follow. If I check the difference pattern, so 5 minus 1, that is 4, 29 minus 5, that is 24. So is this a pattern? No, this is not a pattern. And let's check the prime pattern. So 1, 5, 29, all are primes, but the number series are not following the prime pattern also. So let's check the n to the power n pattern if this is following or not. So how can we write 1? So 1 to the power 1 plus 0, right? So this is 1, right? And 2 to the power 2 plus 1, this is what? 2 square is 4 plus 1, that is 5, and 3 square, sorry, 3 to the power 3 plus 2 is equal to 27 plus 2, that is 29. So this is following the pattern, right? That is n to the power n plus n, that is starting from 0 to n. Okay, so you have to match this pattern. So what will be the question marks? That is 4 to the power 4 plus n, that is 3. So now what will be the answer? That is 4 to the power 4 is 256 plus 3, that is 259. So the question marks is 259. So I hope your answer is also 259. So if you are also having the same answer, then please write it in the comment section that your answer is also same, so I'll give you a heart. Okay, so let's check the next problem. So the next problem is, okay, so this is the second problem. So I hope you also have an answer of this question. So I'm giving you a 2-3 seconds. Please pause and try to give the answer in the comment section. Okay, I hope you have tried. So let's see what pattern this follows. So 6, 7, 11, 20, right? So here prime pattern are not following because 6 is not a prime number. Okay, and let's check the difference. So 6 and 7, the difference is 1. 7 and 11, the difference is 4. 11 and 20, the difference is 9, and we don't know what is the difference between these. Okay, so you can see a very nice pattern are following here, right? So that is the difference is also a pattern which is being followed by this series, and the square, that is n to the power n, you can say this pattern is also being followed. So composite pattern, that is 1 to the power square, 2 to the power square, 3 to the power square, right? So the pattern is 1 to the power square, 2 to the power square, 3 to the power square, and 4 to the power square is the difference. Okay, so that means the difference of for this case will be 16, that is 20 plus 16 will be the question mark number. Okay, that means 36 will be the answer. So you can see prime number pattern can be answer, and square pattern or n to the power n pattern also can be also answer, and the composite pattern can be also an answer. So this is a quick problem for you. I'll not solve this. Please pause and give the answer in the comment section, right? So this is very simple question, and I think you can see what's the pattern being followed here. Either is prime or it is pattern based, I mean the difference pattern based, or n to the power n pattern based. So I hope you guess it. Okay, so let's go to the next problem, that is this. So this is a tricky problem. I hope you will try, and let's see whose answer is matching. Okay, so 1 2 6 24 120. Okay, so let's check. So at first we can see that 6 24 120, those are not prime, so we'll not go for prime number. So now let's check for difference. So 1 and 2, the difference is 1, 2 and 6, the difference is 4, and 6 24, that is 18, and 24 and 120, the difference is huge, right? Like 98, I think. Yes, sorry, 96. Okay, so this is not a pattern which is being followed here, right? So what I will do, so how can we represent this series? That is, let's check it. 1 cross 1 plus 1. So this becomes 2, right? So this 2. Okay, now 2 multiply 2 plus 2, that is 6, right? So this 6 being achieved. So now 6 multiply 3 plus 6, that is 24. So we can see the pattern, that is the one, this is the number, and this one is gradually increasing by 1, and this is the same number which we are writing here, that means this which is present inside the series, right? So that means the series number will be here in this pattern, that is 24 multiply, this will be increased by 1, that is 4, plus this is the same number which present here, right? So that is 24. So 24 multiply 4, that is 96, plus 24, that is 120. And the same way we'll achieve the question mark number, the missing number. Okay, so that is 120 multiply 5, which is increased by 1, that is 4 increased by 1, and plus the same number which is present here, right? That means 120. So what's the number? That is 12 5s are 60. So 600 plus 120, that is 720, right? So this is the missing number. So I hope your answer is also same as the actual answer, right? So if your answer is same, please comment down, I will give you a heart. Okay, so let's go to the next problem. So this is the last problem of today's session, and this is a quiz problem for you. I'll not solve it, and this is a little bit tricky but solvable, right? So I hope you will solve this question, and give the answer in the comment section, right? So I hope this session was little bit helpful for you to crack any number series problem in a company's exam or any government exam. Okay, so I hope you loved this video. If you loved this, then please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want, and please suggest me which content you want. Okay, so thank you for this session.